Hey guys, welcome to Trickz. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can install the Windows 11 in an unsupported PC or laptop. So here currently we are on the Windows 10, and if you are in Windows 10, you can use the same method. So now we can see here Windows 10, we are on the Windows 10 platform. So now we'll see the PC Health Checkup app. We'll use the PC Health Checkup app and we'll see whether it's compatible or not, and we'll bypass the configuration and we'll install the Windows 11. So the PC Health Checkup app link will be provided in the description, where you can directly go to the website and you can install the app. So now I will click on the check now and we'll see what's the issue in my case, what all the issues are in there in my case. So here we can see the PC currently doesn't meet the Windows 11 system requirement, and in my case it's the processor. And if you have any other options, any other issues, you can use the same method where you can bypass also along with me and you can install the Windows 11. So here in my case the only one issue, that's the processor. You might be facing secure boot issue or TPM issue, so you don't need to worry about that. You can use the same method for all these issues and this will work fine. So now we can see all I am having this one problem, that's the processor issue with AMD A87410. And now let's go and we'll install the Windows 11. So now we're gonna go to the Windows 11 setup file. So for that I have given the link in the description. The website link will be provided in the description, or else you can directly go to the Chrome and you can search the Windows 11 installation. So then it will get you to the Microsoft website, where you have to scroll down and you have to select the download Windows 11 disk ISO image. So we have to download the ISO image. So here you have to select the Windows 11. If you get the option, just select the Windows 11 option, and after that we have to click on the download below. So once you click on the download option, it will ask you to select the language, product language, in whatever language you need. So you can select English, and after selecting English you can confirm. Click on the confirm button. So click on the confirm, and after that we will get the verify your download option. So after that you can just verify your setup. So Windows 11 English, that's the language, and after that 64-bit download. So just click on the download and your download will be starting. So once the download gets started, and after it contains about around 5 GB. So once the setup has been downloaded, we have to go to the next step, that's extracting the files. So now let's go directly. So here you can see the file has been downloaded, and I have just moved to the other drive, one of the other drive. So here I recommend you to extract the files using any of the zip files, any of the zip softwares, because you can download here, you can mount it as well, but here we have to make some changes. So that's the reason I recommend you to extract the files. So here I am extracting the files. Even you can extract the files and just click OK. So once the files gets extracted, now we'll see how it's gonna work. So now we have to open the software, we have to open the folder, and we can see here we are on the Windows 11 setup. So here we have got the setup file, and still we can see that the currently meet doesn't requirement. So here we did not made any changes. So now let's directly check whether it gets the error or not. So now I will just click on the setup and run as administrator, and we'll see. I think we should get the same issue because we didn't made any configuration, we didn't made any changes yet for the configuration files. So here we can see Windows 11, we have got the interface. So now we will click on the next option. So I have clicked on the next option and it's checking updates. So it might take some time and it's getting restarting. The setup is been restarting, auto restart. So now we'll see what we get the options or what the error we get. So now it's checking the folder. The setup has been started again, it's restarted, and it's checking your PC. And we can see here this PC doesn't currently meet the Windows 11 system requirements. The same issue what we were got in the PC Health Checkup, the processor, right? So now we'll just cancel it, we'll just close it, and we'll do some changes. That's the interesting part, where we are gonna bypass the configuration checking file. So now for this you have to go to the sources. So to make you more easier, I will just explain you what are the changes I have been done in this, and you don't need to make any changes. I will make you more easy. You just have to copy and replace the file. So first I am going to show you, go to the sources. So we're gonna go to the sources and we have to select the appraisers.dll. So make sure you don't miss the spelling mistake, because if you mess with any other file, then it might not install, right? So here appraisals.dll, I will just open the software. I will just open the dll file with the notepad, and I will show you what and all the changes we have to make in this. So you don't need to worry about that, you don't need to make any changes. I will provide you the file link directly, you just have to copy and replace the file. So I will show you what gonna changes we are gonna do in this. So we're gonna remove the tpm and processor issue, right? So here you just select tpm, it's not tmp, it's tpm, right? So I'll just select tpm and I'll click on next. We got the tpm version, so I will select this and I will just remove it, and I will select next, again find next, and we got another version, we will remove it. So the file contains too many versions where we need to select each of them, and we have to remove these. So to make it more easier, I will just save this file and I will provide you in the description where you just have to directly download. So now for the time being, I'll just fast forward this and we'll see the next process where we can directly copy and replace and make it more easy, right? Since it takes much time, I have already saved the file with the updated changes, and that file I will provide you in the description. So you just have to copy and replace it. You don't need to mess with any files, you don't need to open any of the files. So I will provide the folder, the file folder, and you can just extract and replace it. So now you have to download this file, the same file, the appraisals.dll. I will provide the link in the description, just download that as well, and after that just copy this file. So you can see here appraisals.dll, just copy this and go back to the Windows 11 setup file, go to the sources and you just have to paste the file here. Just click on paste and replace this file in the destination, just replace the file, and that's it. So you have made the changes without making any changes. So you just have to copy the file and place it in the sources folder. That's it. Now we have to run it as administrator, and now this gonna work fine because we have made with all the changes, the configuration changes. So now it doesn't checks and we get the installation, Windows 11 installation smoothly running out. So now we'll see. So I recommend you to update this in free time because this setup installation takes time depending upon your PC system configurations. So here it is getting updates and it's restarting Windows 11. So now we can see the setup has been restarted and it's coming, we are getting a few things ready. So let us wait for the checking, and we don't find any issues right now because we have made with all the changes. So now it's gonna work very smoothly. We can see here applicable notice and terms, so just click on accept. We have made the accept, still this app is showing us. So now here we got the interface, Windows 11 setup, click on next. Now we can see here we don't find any errors, we don't find any processor issue, we don't find any tpm or secure boot. So it's getting updates. So here I will just fast forward this because it takes some time. So now we can see here our Windows 11 setup is been started and it's getting updates. So it depending upon your system, it takes much time, you have to be patient. That's the only thing we have to be here while installing in the Windows 11. I just fast forward this, and now we can see here we got the next stage where it's asking us to ready to stage. So it asks us what to keep and what not to keep. So in my case I keep personal files and apps, everything. I don't want any changes. You can change as per your needs. If you want any changes, you can change according to yours and just install. There we go, we got the installation, Windows 11 installing, and I will fast forward this because it takes some time. So if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update in my channel. So now the setup has been installing and we can see everything is going on smooth. So it takes some time, you have to be patient while the Windows 11 installation. It takes some time depending upon your system. So now I will directly go to the, after restarting I will directly land you to the Windows 11 because restart doesn't capture the screen. So now we have landed on the Windows 11. We can see the Windows 11 interface. We have got the Windows 11 interface and nothing has been changed because I have selected keep personal files and everything. And if we check again in the PC Health Checkup app, we can see the same system doesn't meet the requirements, but we can see that we have landed on the Windows 11. So we can directly close the system checkup app, and if I go to the Windows version, if I select the Windows version and if I show you, we can see that here we are on the Windows 11 operating system. So we can see we have successfully installed the Windows 11 operating system in our system where we didn't had any supported PC or laptop. So now I will show you in the settings the same processor we got. I will go to the system configuration and I will go to the about, and I will select the about. So here we can see that AMD A87410, that's the same processor we have got the issue, and we have installed the Windows 11 successfully, and we'll get all the updates according to this. So this was about the installing Windows in unsupported PC. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye.